Hey guys, here we have something pretty cool. I have an S.M.C. KA36 S.M.C. industrial. But what's cool about it is that it has a switch housing with a variable speed knob. Now, though it is technically an industrial, I believe these were sold under residential use. Really cool fan. It kind of seems like it's in new condition, but it has like storage rot or something. The paint's kind of not flaking, but bubbling a little bit here and there. Um, yeah. Yeah, it's got like little things here and there. Not in brand new condition, but pretty nice. Bearings are a little bit stiff. It makes it seem like when I spun it. Finally set to restore. Pretty cool little fan. Yeah, start that out. Nothing? I don't know, yeah. There we go. Nice slow low speed. Looks like the low speed trim pot thing is gonna have to be readjusted because it's all the way down over here and it starts up here somewhere. It's a really nice low speed, especially for a 36-inch industrial. It could be slower, but that's not too bad right there. I'm probably gonna end up oiling this before I do something with it. Thought about replacing one of the Scandias, but then wouldn't match. So it's straight down. Not a huge difference, but being a, such a small little fan, it did make a bit of a difference. Do a quarter of a turn. It's actually my first variable speed fan. Well, technically the Whisper Fan 3 is my first variable speed fan minus the variable speed. Something that I also noticed on this is that the variable speed seems really, I don't know, cheap, I guess? The pull chain sounds weird, too. I guess pull chain doesn't seem that weird, but it just... I guess it wasn't quite a quarter of a turn. So that would have been closer to a quarter of a turn. Go to 3 o'clock there. Alright, I'm already starting to feel a pretty good breeze from it. Another quarter of a turn. Yeah, I don't know if a tassel was the best idea for an industrial. Alright, yeah, I think that's about high speed. That's high speed. That's a powerful little sucker. That tassel's going everywhere. Take it back here. Yeah, I'm feeling something back here too. Alright, now for spin down. I believe this has steel blades, so spin down is going to be a little long, but it's 36-inch industrial, can't be that long. No, of course I probably jinxed it. If I do install this in the garage, I don't know if I'm going to put it on its own control or if I'm just going to leave it like this. I really do like the Laguna type switch housing. I think that's really cool. Bell cannon piece is also pretty cool. This fan I don't believe is electrically reversible, though it does have a red wire. I think that's for a light kit. I don't know, I haven't opened up the switch housing yet. Yeah, see, even with the steel blades, it does come to quite a halt. Anyways, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this S.M.C. KA36.